aware na driver. Okay, vertican ka. Kasi sulang nga yan. Oh, multi-cab pa siya nag-vertic niyo mo. Pakaulang ka.
Where are you, man?
Yan ang plantation gate.
This is Kandaya. Yay. Room tour. So nice. It's huge. No? And then we have our own mini pool. Hi. Pwede ko mag...
Look at it's huge. Natural bathtub. And then pwede ko malibangon na ligo ka. See,
Oh,
pwede ka naman chika.
YouTube yan din ako. So malibang hindi ka wala ligo. Yeah, it's nice. No? So for activities, there's a farm and
Michelle's farm.
island trip and horsey thingy, horse rides, of course spa, and I know there's an archery thing as well that you can book. So man, gonna book? Yeah, it's nice, no?
Yes.
Let's eat. Heading to lunch. Okay, it was a long drive.
Long drive lang. Kapoy.
Dili, oy. Kapoy gud ta. Strong na ko.
Yun siya sa video. Ang kanimura white. It's
Oh.
just leaves there.
Yeah. Hi.
Di
Okay.
na kaya mag-pretend.
Hungry. Pretty.
Where did you prefer? Inside or outside? Outside, ma'am? Or
Very late then no, lunch. Love. This is mine and that big thing is hers.
Good for sharing.
No, it's not. Do not believe her. She can eat everything. Silver buttonwood. Mm. Yeah. So, palit. Ang shagit, biyaway. So, it's silver buttonwood. Oh. Is nice. Now, pool over there. And the restaurant is here. Hotels. I think beach beach villa na dito. Yeah. Mao ni ang premier rooms. That's facing the pool and the beach. So the beach villas are over there. Yeah. So the beach and ha? Pag TikTok ta? Ikoy? Okay.
Pinas.
Oh, of course. Dancer ba ako? That's our villa. Sayo too. Ano yung duyan akong gingon? That's our beach villa and hi. And the duyan and the beach. That's the pool over there. Morning. Heading to breakfast. Lakaw-lakaw lang. No.
Okay, ikaw.
Okay, road.
Ada slow mo.
Slow mo. Yeah. So this is their pool. And the premier rooms. And the beach. Ah, kagrabe. Of course. Try. Try and sit. Mm. Mm. Pool mode. Huh? Okay. Swim na.
No, I can't. It's so cold. Matouch it on. Morning na?
Sige.
Diba?
Ako na. Middle. Pa-cute kayo.
Gansa na to. Wait lang. Buong gana mo ka. Basta nakaiina mo. Ayaw! Di atay ka to now! Yeah! Ayaw lang. Ayaw ko ba siya? Basta mo lang yun. Oh, please no. No!
Oh.
Sige na. Dive ka. Wow!
River. Check out done. Heading back to Cebu. Pero we're just gonna do some exploring of Medellin and the north of Cebu. Resort hunting. We're now at Acropora. Cute. Ilahan ko ano, Bougainvillea. Oh. No? Wala ka ni. I like this one. It's cute. Exploring northern resorts. Forest. So, birds. Ah, Naiveri. Villa Calachuchi. Good for 15 din, no? Oh, nice. Good job, Benji. Ah, okay. Okay, wala may aircon pa.
Look how cute. Nasa floor lang. Kuan good siya. For group.
So, muna ang room.
CR sa dito sa gawas. Muna siya nga sila dito yung lagi under.
Oh, nasira siya, nasira siya.
Dipping pool. It's cute. Good for 15
Pila ni ka person?
people, 30K a night.
Tama.
Villa Calachuchi. tortoise. Na-shoot. Hello! Wow. Hey, parrots. Oh. Hello! This is the other villa. It's so hot. Yeah, this is their beach. Acropora. Nice view. And there's a beach villa. Just facing. This is their restaurant. El Chitano. Main course kay French fries.
Our lunch for today. Water and french fries. And a diet.
What are you? Adobo.
Hello.
This is kuan. Lechon. Wala ka, dagko sa birds. Is a parrot.
Red.
Macau. But, nawawalang birds siguro na. Ano sa man sila? O may sulti? Ang sila, dako kayo aviary. Hi. Coffee bar. And now, we're at the bamboo forest. Love! Pahagunin mo good. Nya! Nyaks! Paid. Cute na sila. May mga birds na po. Ah! Ulok, 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 ulok! Love. So you can rent costumes if you're in Japan. Kimono. Hi.
Uli na mo gabihin. Ay, ka na pa daw na gabihin. Nice ang song. So nice, the sunset.